We at the rock, paper, tacos. Let's see if we can see it for. Back with an episode of Eating with Guap. UD.
Hey y'all, it's Kitty.
Where we at, Tank?
We at rock, paper, tacos.
Rock, paper, taco. UD. As you can see, it's a nice, cool, laid-back spot. I'm feeling the vibe, you know what I'm saying?
It's real.
You know what I'm talking about? How I look, people?
You trying to be like me, though.
Yeah, man, we gotta munch on some tacos. We both never been here before, so we about to give y'all a review on the spot. You know what I'm talking about?
Hey, this restaurant must be fire.
This is the menu. It comes like a file. You know what I'm talking about?
Rock, paper, tacos.
Raw paper tacos. You know what I'm saying? I showed y'all what's on the menu. About to throw down.
Yeah, I also had the bar, y'all.
Yeah, man. Y'all seen the bar on there. About to throw down, man. And the food gonna be here in 3, 2, 1. Here you go. All right, y'all. So here go the tacos. I got the surfer. This is the surfer. Know your barbecue, butterfly shrimp, Mexican Brussels sprouts, slaw, and cotija. And this right here is called the water. This right here is fried mahi-mahi, Mexican Brussels sprouts, slaw, cotija, agave lime crema, and chipotle olea.
So I got the boom burrito, which is boom boom fried shrimp, coconut rice, spinach, avocado, chipotle aioli, and cilantro, which is a burrito. And then I got the shark, which is chipotle lime, grilled shrimp, mango salsa, queso fresco, agave lime, crema, and cilantro. And I am adding on the boom.
Yeah, she ordered the boom with it.
And the surfer.
And the surfer. So she about to get this on top of what we got right here. And this is the sour cream. Can't do a taco without the sour cream around these parts, man. Let's see how it tastes. We finna dig in. UD. All right, y'all. All right, man. I'm gonna go in with the surf. It's the surf right here. With the shrimp. I'm gonna try it without my sour cream and see how it tastes. Oh, that been hit. I think I found a new place to eat. Hey, it's good. It's good. What you got going on over there, Tank?
I got the shark over here.
Digging into the shark. She eating some good old shrimp. Now she just dipped it in the sour cream. I'm about to dip mine in the sour cream too. Let me show y'all, man. Show them what you're doing, man. You know what I'm saying? See that? Got a big chunk of sour cream. Let's see what we have from. Man, I taste the lime here. The slaw, bring the balance. Everything hit. Everything hit. The sour cream just made it. I just put all the flavors together. You apologize with that. I had my lime with it for that. Yeah, I order lime with them. I always order lime with them. Damn. That's different. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tank's still munching down on her shark, the shark. Now this right here is the water. This the fried mahi mahi. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's the fried mahi mahi. Take a bite by itself. See if it's hitting full. You won't like that one. Oh yeah. Food came. I don't know if y'all ever had mahi mahi before. Mahi mahi is a good fish. Nice, crunchy. Woo, it's hitting. It's hitting. Ting must really like that. She's smashing that. You don't hear her talking nothing. She ain't saying nothing. Look at her. Look at her. Smash. I'm gonna try the mahi mahi and try the water with the sour cream. I don't know if I can see that. You know what I'm saying? I can see that. Man, sour cream just bring them flavors about, man. It's going up. It's going up. The flavors keep enhancing, man. The more I chew, the more flavors is enhancing in my mouth right now. She gave me one of her burritos. I'm gonna try the burrito. Got rice, and like the spinach in here, fried shrimp.
Coconut rice.
Coconut rice. You know how I feel about starch. But I'm about to give it a shot by itself. What's that? Oh, she's trying the surf. How it tastes? I know the flavor. See? She can't even talk.
Oh. It's good. But the shark one I just had,
It's better?
way better. It got grilled shrimp, not fried shrimp. It was way better.
This right here with the coconut, right? It's a sweet flavor. It's like coconut is sweet anyway, and to a certain extent, it's good, but it's more like on the sweet side.
Alright, I'm gonna try it.
That gonna hit. Can't play no game. Yeah, man. Can't wait till you try that. Just trying the water. That thing good. That was better than the surf to me. The water. The mahi mahi got a different like.
The shark's still better.
Shark still better? Oh, awesome.
The shark is still better.
You think the shark? She said the shark is still better. I didn't taste the shark.
That shark
But-
is different. That grilled shrimp is different.
I guess because of the ground shrimp.
Like, that shark is different.
Try this with the sour cream. It's good. It's just too much rice for me. But I like it. It's sweet. Different flavors. A lot of flavors going on around here. So there's a lot going on out here. You know what I mean? There we go. I like this restaurant. A 9 for 10. A 9 for 10. 10. I'm gonna say 10 for 10 is a 9 for 10. All these flavors I got right here, 3 different tastes. You know, I got my taste buds going crazy right now. You know what I'm saying? It's good. I like it. What you think? What you rate it? What you rate the restaurant?
The restaurant, I think the restaurant 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
But food-wise, like, the shark, definitely different. That's a 10 out of 10. The burrito, I'm gonna get a burrito about a 5, no cap.
5, yeah, 5. I say 5.5 to 6. What about the surf? The surf?
I'm gonna give it about a 6.
I like the surf. I like the surf.
And this one, I'm gonna give it about a 7.5.
Now, the water, which is the one with the fried mahi-mahi, I'm gonna get that thing an 8.5 for me. I like it. I like it. We dig it in, man.
With the sour cream.
It's hitting. Change the taste, right?
With the sour cream, I give about an 8.
It's all hitting. It's all good. We enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, the review. I mean, let me know in the comments. Anything you guys would like to see, let us know in the comments. We will try it out. Again, I'm pescatarian, are you vegetarian, vegan. You know what I'm saying?
And there is a vegan option with me. And there is vegan bowls.
They got vegan, yeah, they got vegan stuff all that here. Thanks for watching the video. Another episode of Eating with Guap. I appreciate y'all. Everybody stay blessed. You